going on, YouTube? They changed the tire right in on the driver's side of a Cadillac XTS 2011.
Damn it, Lewis, you gotta remind the viewers that we're changing the struts and shit too.
I mean, we just had the stuff out the way, so we really didn't have to do that shit. So this is what you're gonna do. You see what he's doing? He's got it on the nut and then some locking pliers on the tire rod end itself. Now he's a master mechanic, so he knows the count thread. He's counting them in his head.
Sure I am.
Well, damn it, I guess he's not. So we're just gonna turn it. Turn that nut. Gonna undo it. There you go. A little heat will help, but we didn't have to heat it in this case. That's not smoke.
Somebody gonna hit us back like these two guys are assholes.
Yeah, they're not. They're gonna be like, they're fucking famous. Best mechanics I've ever seen. Make sure they're the right part. Sizing them up. See if they're the same, which they are. Rear that puppy back on. Alright, later YouTube.